Most shrubs need pruning, but there's a specific group of shrubs that genuinely don't need it. These plants have a naturally compact, naturally attractive form that they maintain on their own, without shearing, without cutting back, without any kind of annual intervention. You plant them, they grow into their best shape, and they stay there. In this video, we're covering 7 of them. For the gardener who wants structure and beauty without the maintenance, these are the plants to know.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Fothergilla Blue Shadow. Most shrubs that look this refined need regular pruning to stay that way. Fothergilla Blue Shadow looks this good completely on its own. The natural form is a tidy, rounded mound that never exceeds 5 feet. No shearing, no shaping, no annual cutting back required. In spring, fragrant white bottle brush flowers appear before the leaves, covering the bare stems in a display that looks more intentional than most prune shrubs manage. Then the foliage opens in a distinctive blue-green that holds through summer. In fall, the leaves shift through yellow, orange, and red simultaneously, 3 colors on the same leaf, on the same plant, at the same time. It's native to the eastern US, tolerates shade better than most flowering shrubs, and thrives in average to moist soil. There's genuinely nothing to do to it. It grows into its best form naturally and stays there. 3 seasons of outstanding interest, 0 maintenance. Blue Shadow Fothergilla is one of the most underused shrubs in American gardens. Number 2. Itea Little Henry. Itea virginica, Virginia Sweetspire, is a native shrub with fragrant summer flowers, outstanding fall color, and a natural compact form that asks nothing of you in terms of maintenance. Little Henry is the selection that delivers all of this at a size appropriate for almost any residential garden. It stays under 3 feet with an arching, naturally tidy habit that never needs shaping. In midsummer, fragrant white bottle brush flower spikes cover the plant in a display that lasts for several weeks. In fall, the foliage turns vivid shades of scarlet, orange, and burgundy, often the most saturated fall color of any shrub in the garden, and the color holds for weeks rather than days. It tolerates wet conditions better than almost any other shrub in this video, which makes it valuable for rain gardens, low spots, and areas beside water features where other shrubs struggle. Native throughout the eastern US, excellent for pollinators during bloom. Plant it once and you won't touch it again except to appreciate it. Number 3. Spirea Double Play Gold. Most spireas bloom once in spring and then spend the rest of the season as a green or yellow-green mound with no particular distinction. Double Play Gold is different. The new growth emerges vivid golden yellow every spring, providing a color display before any flowers appear. Through summer, the foliage matures to chartreuse gold and remains attractive and bright even in the heat. In summer, pink flowers cover the plant in a display that contrasts warmly with the golden foliage. In fall, the leaves develop orange and red tones before dropping. It stays compact, around 2 feet, with a naturally rounded, self-maintaining habit that doesn't need shearing to look tidy. The successive seasons of foliage and flower interest make it one of the most continuously engaged shrubs in this video, delivering something worth looking at from spring through fall. Full sun, average soil, no pruning needed. One of the most complete small shrubs available. Number 4. Viburnum Wentworth. Viburnum is the shrub category that most consistently delivers 4-season interest, And Wentworth American cranberry bush is the selection that does it most completely without requiring any intervention to maintain its form. Spring brings large, flat-topped white flower clusters that attract pollinators in significant numbers. Summer sees the development of clusters of bright red berries that ripen through fall and persist into winter, providing food for birds through the cold months. Fall foliage turns brilliant shades of red and orange. The branching winter structure adds its own quiet interest after the leaves drop. The natural form is a large, rounded shrub reaching 8 to 10 feet, which means it needs space and the right placement. But once placed correctly, it maintains its form completely on its own for decades. No shearing, no pruning needed to keep it looking like it belongs. Native to the northeastern US, excellent wildlife value, zero maintenance once established. Number 5. Mahonia Soft Caress. Soft Caress Mahonia is the plant that makes a shaded garden look like it was designed by someone who knows plants that nobody else knows. Unlike standard Mahonia with its stiff, holly-like leaves, Soft Caress produces long, soft, fern-like fronds in a deep evergreen that creates a genuinely architectural texture in a shaded border. The plant forms a naturally elegant, arching mound that looks refined without any pruning or shaping. In late fall and early winter, bright yellow flower spikes appear above the foliage, one of the few shrubs that blooms at that time of year, followed by blue-black berries that birds find valuable. Evergreen, shade-tolerant, and providing interest through winter when most other garden plants are dormant, Soft Caress addresses 3 of the most persistent problems in a shaded residential garden simultaneously. Part to full shade, average to moist soil, a genuinely unusual shrub that earns its space 12 months a year. Number 6. Amsonia Blue Ice. Technically a perennial rather than a shrub, Amsonia Blue Ice grows with such a shrub-like presence, a perfectly mounding, woody-based clump that reaches 18 inches and holds its form completely on its own, that it earns a place in this conversation. In spring, clusters of soft, sky blue, star-shaped flowers cover the plant for several weeks. Through summer, the fine-textured foliage stays neat and attractive without any intervention. In fall, the leaves turn a clear, saturated gold that holds for weeks, a fall color display that rivals ornamental trees at a fraction of the footprint. It never spreads invasively, never needs dividing, never needs cutting back or shaping. Each spring it returns a little more floriferous, a little more attractive, a little more established. The definition of a plant that simply gets better the longer you leave it alone. 3 full seasons of outstanding interest, zero maintenance, gets better every year. For a low-maintenance garden, Blue Ice is one of the most reliable investments available. Number 7. Ninebark Tiny Wine. Standard ninebark is a native shrub with excellent wildlife value, outstanding fall interest, and attractive exfoliating bark, but it grows 8 to 10 feet tall and wide, which makes it too large for most residential gardens. Tiny Wine takes everything that makes ninebark valuable and delivers it in a plant that stays under 4 feet. The foliage is a deep wine purple that holds its rich color through the entire growing season without fading. In late spring, clusters of small white-pink flowers appear against the dark foliage. In fall, the leaves develop additional color before dropping to reveal the attractive exfoliating bark for the winter. The compact form is natural rather than selected through pruning. Tiny Wine simply grows slowly to its mature size and stays there. No shearing, no cutting back, no annual intervention needed to maintain the scale. Full sun, average to poor soil, drought-tolerant once established, native shrub, excellent for pollinators, genuinely low maintenance. Tiny wine belongs in more gardens than it's currently in. Those are 7 shrubs that maintain themselves, plants that grow into their best form and stay there, without any pruning required. For a garden that looks designed without requiring constant work, these are the shrubs to build around. Subscribe! New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.